Supposed to be that the two teenagers throw a stone. Grace throw vertically and Elaine throw horizontally. The question is, what stone fall first? As you can see, both stone falls at the same time. Now, let's talk about vertical motion and horizontal motion. The vertical motion of a projectile is controlled by the force of gravity. And in horizontal motion, a projectile's horizontal motion is the result of the tendency of any object to persist the motion at a constant velocity. Now, let's talk about projectile motion. As you can see, Elaine is holding the ball, which will serve as our projectile. So what exactly is a projectile? A projectile is any object thrown into space upon which the only acting force is gravity. Then next is trajectory. The trajectory of a projectile is the path it follows through the air under the influence of gravity. It is usually described using a parabolic shape with the projectile's initial velocity, launch angle, and the acceleration due to gravity determining its path. Next is maximum height. The object's maximum height is the highest vertical position along its trajectory. When it reaches its highest point, it's called the maximum height. As the ball descends, gravity increases its speed. The distance it covers until its land is called maximum range. Yay! The range of a projectile for a given initial velocity is maximum when the angle of projection is 45 degrees. The range of a projectile is the horizontal distance the projectile travels from the time it is launched to the time it comes back down to the same height at which it is launched. That's all for projectile motion. If you enjoy watching our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.